Meaning of belief. Belief is a noun that means something you think is true or something you strongly trust in, often related to religion, values, or personal opinions. 10 daily use example sentences. 1. She has a strong belief in hard work. 2. My belief is that honesty always wins. 3. He lost his belief in the system. 4. Everyone has different beliefs and values. 5. Her belief in herself helped her succeed. 6. They share the same religious beliefs. 7. It's my firm belief that education changes lives. 8. Superstitions are based on old beliefs. 9. The teacher respected every student's belief. 10. His belief was shaken by the bad news.